Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, July 20th, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 7 points to 27.98.5 per contract. All in all, the futures have come in a little bit, but they've really been pretty rocky all over the map this morning. So again, today is options expiration. We have tons of earnings coming out. And again, let's get started on our session. All right, we're going to talk first about Microsoft. Msft is the ticker symbol here. Stock gapping up a little bit after the closing bell yesterday. And again, holding up pretty well this morning. Right now, it's trading at 107.89. This is on the back of earnings. Stock closed at 104.40, so nice little pop for Microsoft. When I look at the charts here, I have to give it the upside bias to around the 109 level. So we'll see how it plays out there. But again, you can see that's where it got to yesterday. That could be where it goes again today. So we'll see how it plays out. But 109 still a pretty good short-term resistance level. I'm not saying it's a level to short. I'm just saying if you own Microsoft, maybe you try to let it run up there. If not, just trail your stop loss and see if it goes higher. But Microsoft, very strong this morning. We have Capital One on tap today. They reported earnings yesterday after the closing bell as well. Stock closed at $95.37. It is now trading at $97.20. So good little uptick there. I don't think we can make more out of it than that. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Skyworks Solutions, another name here. This is in the semi department. SWKS is a ticker. And stock is trading at 104. So we'll be watching this one pretty closely. It closed at 102.48. Again, when I look at this max upside today, I have to think would probably be around the 107, maybe 107 and a quarter level. Ultimately, though, when you look at a name like this, it's showing pretty good strength, so we'll respect it, and it still might have some upside potential down the road. Right now, as you can see, it is starting to pull back a little bit. So again, we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. I don't have any downside levels yet, but if it does start to fall, we'll work on them. Lots of action out here. Here's Honeywell. They reported earnings also. Stock trading at 151.12, closed at 147.54. So good little uptick there. There's a lot of resistance on a Pierce of 152 for Honeywell. You can see that's where it's already stalled out today. Next up, we want to take a look at SKX. This is Skechers. This stock is getting creamed this morning. Closed at $33.25. Now trading at $24.21. I'll have a gap level ready to go this morning for this. But this is a bludgeoning. Stock is down almost 10 points. And again, I think it could still fall lower. So again, be careful here with Skechers. But I'll have a level ready to go in the intraday stock chat room this morning. All right, let's take a look at Intuitive Surgical. ISRG is a ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $539.99. Nice little move there. This might have a little bit more upside. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at VFC. This is VF Corp. Stock right now is trading at $92.11. That's up from $89.24. I happen to think this is a bit overbought, so be careful here. If you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. General Electric, it's not doing much, but we got to talk about it. GE trading at $13.72, closed at $13.73. You did get an initial pop after the earnings announcement, back above 14. Now it's back to flat. So again, GE not doing much after its earnings. Again, we'll watch it once the opening bell rings. I don't care about the numbers. All we care about is the reaction and can we play the retrace. That's really all it's about these days. So don't worry about the GE numbers or deciphering any of that stuff. The market will tell you exactly where this thing wants to go. Let's take a look at Manpower, MAN. Stock right now is trading at $81.80. This is a pretty good little haircut, closed at $86.10. I'll try to have some levels ready for us in Manpower Group. So again, we'll watch that one pretty closely as well. Let's take a look here at Regions Financial, RF. Stock right now is trading at $17.45, closed at $17.62. Did down tick a little bit further, we'll see how it plays out. I have a level ready to go for regions today. Let's take a look at State Street. STT is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 87.40. This is a good little haircut. So again, weak gap down, and we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see where it goes. I might have a level for State Street as well. So again, keep that one on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at one more. We'll go with Kansas City Southern, KSU. Stock is trading at 107.31, closed at 108.45. So again, nice little down tick there. Nothing that I'm seeing right off the bat here, but again, we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. This could affect the other railroad stocks that are in play as well. So we'll see how this all shakes out. Let's take a look at the gold market. Gold is getting a little bit of a bid today, up $3.70 to $1,227 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see this is a good ETF. Track the movement in gold. You'll see that's getting a bid today, trading at 116.28, closed at 115.81. Crude oil right now is trading down about 3 cents to $68.21 a barrel. We're not going to make much out of that. If you look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at $14.20. No big deal there. Closed at 14.13. The US dollar index is in play today. President Trump was on CNBC this morning talking about how he thinks it's unfair that the dollar is going up and they're raising interest rates and everybody else is not. Right now, the dollar falling down to 94.42. So yesterday the dollar had a pop. Today the dollar has a drop, at least initially. And again, dollar falling a little bit, and that is definitely helping the action in gold to the upside. So we'll keep an eye on this and more. We have a lot to cover in the intraday stock chat room. Once again, we had another great day in the intraday stock chat. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see what it's all about. You can trade right alongside of us. We're going to look to have another solid day again today. So with that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.